Good morning, everyone, and happy Sunday to you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my CVS haul. So it's currently Saturday night when I'm filming this video. So I was still able to take advantage of early activation. I asked my manager what was going on with early activation, and all she told me is that the deals switch over at 4 p.m. So she didn't know anything about any early activation things changing. I know that some people are saying it is, and if early activation, changes, then I'll just do my deals on Sunday like I used to, so it's no big deal. So if you're new to my channel, I want you to go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to welcome you in the comment section. I read every single comment you guys send me. I also respond to every comment. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. 5 different transactions with you guys, and I'm gonna share with you guys the receipts as well, so you guys can see like everything that I used and what the totals of everything is. So first deal I did was on the Garnier. So the Garnier is priced regular. So the Garnier is regular priced, and when you buy 2, you get $4 in extra care bucks. So my store has them priced for $4.49, and thanks to your guys' recommendation, I did pick up the Curl Nourish. So I'll let you guys know how this works with my daughter, but I picked 2 of these up. I used the 3 off 2 insert coupon, and then I got $4 back in extra care bucks. We needed some coffee, so I took advantage of this still being priced for $6.99. That's why I like early activation deals, because you can still take advantage of some of the current sale cycle while getting some of the new sale cycle. So the next deal I did was on Revlon. So I finally picked up the Revlon Candid Photo Ready foundation. So this is priced for $10.99, and when you buy $10, you get a $4 extra care buck. I used the $5 CRT that printed this past week for Revlon, and then I also used the $5 CRT, and then I also used the $5 insert coupon that came in our Smart Source. So that made for a really good deal. So it made it like a $3 and a penny moneymaker, which was a fantastic deal. So I used the 3 off 2 coupon for the Garnier. I also used a printable $1 off 1 coupon for the coffee. I also used a $5 off 1 insert coupon for the Revlon, as well as the CRT. I had a 5 off 25 purchase that I got last week at the end of my receipt. And then I also had $6 in beauty bucks. So my total was 0. This is my total, 0, but I had to pay tax. So I paid 97 cents in tax, and then I got $4 for the Garnier and $5 for the, so I got $4 for the Garnier and $4 for the Revlon deal. So that was like a $7 moneymaker on that transaction. So the next transaction, I'm going in order of everything I did. So the next transaction, I did the Eucerin deal. So my mom got one of those 25% off purchase coupons. So I went ahead and used her card on this deal. So what I did is I did the Eucerin deal. So it's spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks again. I had a few more prints of those $3.50 off 1 coupons. I'll leave that linked below if you guys want to go ahead and print those off. So I picked up the Daily Protection Facial Lotion. So this is an SPF of 30, so it's priced for $11.99. And then I also picked up another one of the Eucerin Baby Eczema Creams. So these are priced for $10.49. So then I used 2 of those $3.50 off 1 coupon, so that took $7 off. I also had a 3 off 10 coupon that I used for lotion. And then I also had a $3 quarterly extra care buck that I used. And then the 25% coupon took off $2.37. So I ended up paying $8.20 after tax. And then I got a $10 extra care buck back, which was great. So then I rolled that $10 extra care buck into some grocery items. So we needed some cereal bars, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of shop at CVS for some of the groceries so that my grocery bill this week will be a little bit lower. That's my goal. So I picked up 2 of the Gold Emblem Abound cereal bars. So these aren't on sale. I paid regular price for them. And what I really like about these, my kids really like them. There's no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial preservatives. So I thought that that's pretty good for a cereal bar. So I picked 2 of these up. They're priced for $3.49. And then I took advantage of the Nabisco deal because it was still going on. So the Nabisco box snacks were still ringing up for $1. So I went ahead and picked 3 of these up so each kid can have 1 of them. So I thought that that would be a fun like park snack. So I paid $0. So I had a $10 extra care buck. My total was $9.98. So my total was $0. So I love when the total is $0. All right, so the next deal I did was on the Blue Diamond almonds. So these are on sale for $5.99, and then I used a $1 off 1 coupon that came in our Smart Source, this coming week's Smart Source. So I also used a $3 extra care buck and a $2 extra care buck. So I had $5 of extra care bucks that I used from last week. So again, my total was $0. I am loving these $0 totals, you guys. So the last transaction I did was on the cup holder wipe. So I mentioned this in my CVS in-store video, which I'll have linked below for you guys if you want to see like a whole rundown of all the deals. But the CVS health brand of wipes, these guys are buy one and get one 50%. If you have a care pass, since it is CVS Health, you're actually going to get 20% off, I think. Maybe not since it's BOGO 50%, but these are great to like keep in your car or your purse. So I picked 2 of these up, and then Snickers candy bars. These guys were 2 for $2 or $1 each when you bought 2 of them. So I picked up 2 of these. So I'm gonna save them for my parents for when I see them next, because my dad's favorite candy bar is a Snickers bar. So I paid with a $3 extra care bucks. So my total was 91 cents. So let's get a little total going on here. We have 91 cents, 0, 0, 820, and 97 cents. So like 10 bucks, you guys. And then I got $8 in extra care bucks. So like I paid like $2. All right, so this was a free trip after all, because there is a $2 checkout 51 for any Eucerin. So if you are not signed up for checkout 51, I will have a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up. When you submit your first receipt, you're gonna get a bonus 10 bucks. So yeah, free trip. So this is a great shopping trip for me over at my CVS. So there are some great deals to take advantage of, some really good repeat deals, and I am super excited to finally try this Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation. So if you guys want me to review this and do like a wear test like I did on the Almay Lippies, let me know, because I am so excited to try this. I'm gonna go and get the concealer tomorrow when I get my other newspaper. Oh my God, that was another story. So this morning, I did make my way out to Albertsons, and I had every intention of getting 2 newspapers, and I always check my newspapers when before I purchased them. And there was this lady, and she was with her son, and she was right behind me, and I like looked at her and I said, "Are you here for the inserts too? Are you here for the newspaper?" And she's like, "Yes." And I just could not take the second newspaper. So I told her, I said, "Oh, what coupon are you looking for?" And then she said the Revlon one. I was like, oh, I was willing to like trade her, be like, "Oh, I'll give you the Clorox coupon, or I'll give you this coupon for the Revlon coupon." But she was going after the Revlon coupon too. So if you are watching my channel and you're from Ladera and you ran into another couponer at Albertsons, hi. But you know what? I feel like the Lord was testing me in that very moment. The Lord was testing me on, you know, greediness, and he was watching me, and every ounce of me, I wanted to take the other newspaper, but I was like, Gina, no, it's just foundation, it's just concealer, like it's fine, you're gonna get another newspaper. So I opted to not go to Walgreens, because that's what my plan was. I was gonna try to get to Walgreens before the deal changed for next week. And then I messaged Jen. I was like, "Jen, do I need a deal change?" She's like, "No, Gina." I'm like, "Okay, I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch whatever crazy movie that was on Lifetime." So that's what I ended up doing, and it all worked out because I had a fantastic trip over at CVS. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday with whatever you are doing. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. I was looking through my analytics, and I noticed that like 40% of the viewership they're not subscribed. So definitely want to stay subscribed. I just posted my Black Friday prediction video on Friday. So if you guys have not taken a look at that video, you might want to, because I'm even seeing in this upcoming Target Week's ad is they're promoting toys. So now is the time, you guys. Lifetime is going to be starting Christmas movies 24 hours a day starting October 25th. So now is the season, you guys. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.